Di Parine, pass to number 68, number 1 fake. What a nice pass! Hey! Fires for 3. No good. Rige. Basket. Nagmamadali. What a nice pass! And a basket counted. Bulo. Begeng. Boss Ryan tries to be. Bulo. Basket counted. Solano, Topua, dribbling the ball, guarding by Singson. Fires for 2. Yes, sir. Fake. Nalos. Fires for 3. No good. Singson, no good. Rige. Basket. Fires for 3. Fires for 3. Basket counted. Soliano. Fires for 3. What a nice pass. No good. Bulo. No good. Di Parine. What a nice airdrop move. Nalos. Basket counted. House Gaming. Villaprel. Basket counted. Nalos. Rige. Score 11-10. Kitchon. Pass to Soliano. What a nice pass. Bulo. Begeng. Fake. Back to Di Parine. No good. Singson. Long pass. Fires for 3. No good. Rige. Basket. No good. Singson, long pass. Bulo. What a nice pass. What a nice pass and basket counted. Boss Ryan tries to beat. 6 minutes 17 seconds time remaining. Basket counted. Bulo. Spin move. What a nice pass. Bulo to Trige. Teardrop again. Very good. Rebound by Trige. Trige. And the Quezon. Basket counted. Warning number 1. Delaying the game. Quezon rather. Let's go. Ryan Lee enters it. Pass to Bulo. Penetrate rather. Fires for 3. No good. Ryan back to Bulo. 3. Time out. Block. In black. Labaw ang block 28-18. Di pa rin eh. Sumaksak sa loob. And the basket counted. Bulo. Bulo looking to pass to Ryan Lee. Fires for 2. No good. Nagmamadali. What a nice pass. And the basket counted. Basket counted. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 28-24 in favor of Black. Halos. Foul. Strong rebound. Long pass to Di Parine guarding by Bulo. Set the play. Pass to Suliano. Quezon. No good. Quezon. Rebound. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Bulo. Bustrelli to Bulo. Bulo. Spin move. What a nice move. There's no good and no good again. No good. Basket counted. Long pass. Quezon. Basket counted. Di Parine naman madali si Di Parine. Pass to number 68. Number 1 fake. What a nice pass. Hey! Bulo guarding by 1. Bulo. Pass to Villabel. House Gaming guarding by Suliano. And a block by Quezon. And a long pass. 68. Basket counted. Saraum. 32-29 in favor of Black team. 1 minute and 36 seconds. No good. Rebound by number 1 to Di Parine. Long pass to Suliano. Fake. Guarded by House Gaming. And a foul. Warning. Basket. Basket counted. Suliano. 31-32 time and score. Ryan Lee. set to play by Singson. Guarding by Soliano. Driven the ball. Singson try to penetrate. What a nice pass. Singson to House Gaming. Villabre. Deparini na mamadali si Deparini. Deparini to 68. 68 spin move. No good. Rebound by number 4. Trige. Trige to Bulo. To Singson. Singson. Spin move. Basket counted. 36-31. Time running 32 seconds. Fires for 3. No good. 21 seconds. Time remaining. 13 seconds. 7 seconds. 2. End of the first half. 33-36. Last quarter. Ang makadaog ani may champion. 40,000. Nalos driven by starting by Fuat to Solano. Nalos Bagan. Ichom Soliano.
Fight card, needs at least card. Fight.
Nalos penetrate and a foul. Yeah. Second throw the gang. Tumira ng long 3. No good. Biggie save the ball. Rebound. Nalos. Giving the ball. Guarding by number 1. Nalos. Penetrate. And no good. Long pass. 68. Basket counted. Saraom. Bolo. Driven the ball. Set to play. Guarding by number 68. Saraom to Villabre. Nugget, Trige, guarding by Soliano. Trige fakes and a block. Pass to Fires for 2. Bang bang. Nugget, basket counted. .68. Intercept Trige. Bulo, Trige. Hey, basket counted. Buwa. Tumaksak sa loob. Pass to 68. Telegraph basket. Score 41-44 in favor of Black Team. So, Nalos. And 41-44 in favor of Black Team. This is championship game. No good. Long pass, save the ball. Intercept. Soliano. Basket counted. Bulo. Hey. Intercept by Trige. Trige. Bulo. Back to Trige. Trige. Basket counted. Galinato. Galinato. What a nice move, but there's a whistle foul. Galinato. 48-44. Labaw ang black team. Nalos. Guarding by Saraong. Back to Bulo. Guarding by Deparini. Bulo try to intercept, penetrate, and shot clock violation. This basket counted. Hey! Foul Saraong and basket counted. Basket. Galinato dribbling the ball, set the play to Kichon. Deparine fires for 3. No good. Rebound by Villaver. House Gaming. Sumaksak. Pass to Bolo. Nalos. Back to Bulo. Fires for 3. No good. And a foul. Deparine. Galinato. Kichon. Saraom. Deparine. Back to Galinato. No good. Villaver. House Gaming. Namamadali si House Gaming. What a nice basket move by House Gaming. Villabrel. Deparine. Set the play. Soliano. 5 for 3. Wale. Ang pass. Singson. Bulo. Nalos. Tomera. No good and out of bounds. Soliano. Basket counted. Sarao. 48-53. Labaw ang block team. Villavrel. Basket counted. What a nice basket. Third drop by Deparine. Long pass. Trige. Guarding by 2. Strong basket counted by Trige. Not counted. Last 4 minutes. Fires for 3. Wala gihapon. 50-57. Foul. Soliano. Naked. Sige. Long pass. Intercept by Deparine and a foul. Soliano. Wala gyapon. House Gaming. Strong rebound by House Gaming. Penetrate. Basket counted. Soliano. Wala gyapon. Villabrel. Nalos 50-61. Labaw ang itom. Basket counted. Boy box. Ano to kaya? 40. Basket counted. Basket counted. No good. No good. 2 minutes, 19 seconds, 52-63. Fires for 3. No good. Last 2 minutes. House Gaming. No good. Soliano. Soliano dribble the ball. Nagmamadali si Soliano. Basket counted. Soliano. Intercept. De Parine. Basket counted. 56-63. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Time up. Yay. 56-65. Fast for 3. Time up. And champion ang Kitong.